Hey guys, in this video we'll install this BONOSS wheel spacers for this new Mercedes E-Class. Do brand logos for wheel spacer suppliers matter?
Wheel spacer suppliers are a hugely important role at every stage of the products. Although most suppliers provide brand new spacers, there are some copycats that exist on the market. Perhaps the easiest way to spot a counterfeit factory wheel spacer is by looking at the logo design. The logo of junior wheel spacer suppliers should look perfect. There should be no details missing from the company name or logo icon. Fake wheel spacers may not even have a logo and will instead try to trick customers based on the color and the shape of the product. Many high-end brands will have a metal logo, while some will often stamp their logo onto the product, while the fake logos are made roughly or vaguely.
Each of BONOSS product is engraved with the BONOSS or letter B, which means that these are manufactured by BONOSS' own factory. Compared with those products with only metric mark, the quality of BONOSS product is guaranteed. For more information about this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.